is going on, everyone? Thank you so much for opening this video. This is Trading with Sencha. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and follow me on Instagram. So in today's video, you guys, I want to show you how you can trade using the zone-to-zone trading strategy. So basically, you are using important price levels to enter, target, and exit the market, right? So it's really, really easy, and I'll show you guys just now. Okay, so before we continue with the tutorial, I just quickly want to share with you guys a new broker that I have found. It is the best thing that has happened to me. If you are following me on Instagram, you know how much I've been struggling with these South African brokers. And I just decided to quit using these South African brokers because they are really not about the clients. They don't care, you know. And so I found an amazing international broker, and it's called AMEGA. So this broker is super cool because you get $20 for every 5 lot that you trade. Also, their regular cashback system gives you $5 from each lot. So in total, you can get $45 from 5 lot size traded. It has a negative balance protection up to 1:1,000 leverage, no trading commission at all. Minimum deposit is just $1, you guys. And the spread is, of course, starting from 0. And this is what is important with choosing a broker. It's everything that is listed here from this broker, AMEGA. It is very, very good. I'm just trading with it right now, and I'll be showing you guys some results. I'm going to show you guys my withdrawals from next week. But I know that we are approaching Christmas, so it's going to be delayed, but eventually I will be showing you guys everything and how they have been treating me. Client services is top notch because I had to just go through with the accounts that they offered, and I really wanted to verify that they really do have that 1:1,000 leverage, and you know, they were quick with the response. They answered me so friendly, and I can't wait to show you guys my results from this broker. So make sure to click the link down in my description. Open an account with them. If you need any help, just let me know via Instagram. You can email me, or you can let me know via my WhatsApp number right here on the screen. So make sure you click that link button right there and register and open an account with a broker that is very, very good and trustable. Okay, so now let me show you guys how I analyze and how I use the zone-to-zone trading strategy. So basically, you can use the strategy from any time frame, right? But if maybe you use the 1 hour time frame, you have to use the lower time frames for your confirmation. Okay, you have to look for signs that the market is rejecting that particular zone. So you must know and understand rejection candlesticks and rejection chart patterns, okay, because it's very, very important that you understand the rejection, and also understand how support and resistance work, because if you don't understand that, then it won't be beneficial to trade the strategy. So the first thing that I'm going to do is mark my highest point of the chart on whichever time frame that I am using. In this case, I like using the 1 hour time frame, so I'll just mark this point right here. Sorry, this is my highest point right here, and then my lowest point is right here. Okay, so now I want to mark the levels that are most rejected in my chart. Okay, levels that are most rejected in my chart. So I see right here. Okay, so understanding the zones and how to mark important levels or levels that have been rejected multiple times takes practice. But just make sure that everything is clear and clean and understandable. Okay, so these levels have to be rejected multiple times in order for them to be zones. Okay, now the second thing that is important here is understanding the direction of the market, the trend. Okay, if the market is moving on an uptrend, you want to be a part of the uptrend. You don't want to go against the trend. And if it's moving on a downtrend, you don't want to move against the downtrend. You're looking for selling opportunities on a downtrend. Okay, so now we are currently on a downtrend, and I'm looking for selling opportunities if we are currently on a downtrend. And what verifies that we are on a downtrend is obviously market structure with the lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, right? Okay, this is a zone-to-zone strategy, so meaning that we are looking to enter, trades on a particular zone or from these zones that we have placed here in the market. So it will depend on whether the market is playing above a particular zone where we will be looking for buying opportunity. More especially we are on a uptrend, those buys are what we are looking for. Or right now we are on a downtrend. So if we are able to reject on this zone, it means that we are looking for, or we will be taking some sells on that zone, right? So before we look for entries, we have to understand the confirmation. So the confirmation is obviously going to be rejection. Now, the only thing that you are going to be looking for is rejection patterns, rejection candlesticks. So right here, here's our reason for rejection. And as you can see, the market built above the zone, but that did not mean that we were obviously now looking for buying opportunities. We still have to find those buying candlestick patterns or chart patterns that are confirming a rejection as a support or finding this level as a support. The market hasn't showed us anything yet, right? So now we have to head over to the 15 minutes time frame so that we can find some of those patterns. Okay, when we get to the 15 minutes time frame, you can see that the is consolidating on that level, on that price level or the zone, right? And what I can quickly notice is sort of like a double top right here, and then this will be the neckline. So my confirmation is if the market drops down and breaks the neckline, I'm looking for entry opportunities or selling opportunities on that level, and that's where I'm going to take my sales. So that is my confirmation when trading this. And then if the market breaks above, it will be breaking the consolidation. And then in order for me to protect myself from a fake out, I will then wait again for other candlestick, like rejection candlesticks on that particular zone, right? Above right here on this price level that I placed. I'm going to wait for rejection candlesticks in order for me to say that, okay, the market will probably move towards the upside. But right now, there's a higher chance that the market will probably sell. But we only work with confirmation. Now, how do you target your take profit? So the way that you target your take profit is just look for the minor rejections that the market made as it was trying to do whatever it was doing, right? For example, right here, you can see a rejection here, you can see a rejection here. So I'm going to use these price levels as my target areas. And if the market is pushing up, I'm going to use these rejections here, right here, and then I'm going to use those as my target areas. And if you are lucky enough on the chart that you can see some price action on the side, then you can place some price levels here and there as such, so that you can look for re-entries as the market continues to push towards the upside. Okay, so zone to zone is more about, it's more like a breakout trading strategy. You're just waiting for the market to break a very important price level in order for you to take a trade. Okay, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Don't forget to click on the description below and register and open an account with AMEGA. It is a very good broker, and I can't wait to show you guys the reviews and so on and so forth. Thank you, guys.